Hi children, very good morning to all. Welcome back to World of Microbes. Children, in last class we discussed about bacteria. Today's class we are going to learn about viruses, fungi and prions. First we are going to see about viruses. The term virus derived from Latin word venom. Venom means poisonous fluid. Viruses are non-cellular organisms. They are made up of protein that covers a central nucleic acid. See here children, the outermost membrane is made up of protein and this membrane is covered the central core is called as nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is either RNA or DNA. RNA, the full form of RNA, ribonucleic acid, the full form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Nucleic acid is either DNA or RNA. Based on that, the viruses are divided into two types. They are DNA virus, example T4 bacteriophage, RNA virus, example tobacco mosaic virus TMV. The simple virus particle is often called a virion. They grow and multiply only in living cell. They are the smallest among the infectious agent and the size of the virus is varies over a wide range from 18 to 400 nanometer. 18 to 400 nanometer. Clear children? They can live in plants, animals, human being and even bacteria. They can be easily transmitted from one host to others. Then characters of viruses. Viruses exhibit both living and non-living character. First we are going to see about living characters of viruses. They have the nucleic acid, DNA or RNA is act as a genetic material. They can multiply when it is inside the living cell, a vice host. They can attack specific host. Then non-living characters of viruses. Viruses remains as inert material outside their host. That means the viruses is become inactive is outside the living cell. Yes, inside the living cell is become active but outside the living cell is inactive. Then they are devoid of cell membrane. Devoid means is nothing children, absence of cell membrane and cell wall. So the absence of cell membrane, cell wall, the viruses are non-cellular structure. Clear children? Then viruses are devoid of cellular organelles like ribosomes, mitochondria, etc. All the cellular organelles also absent in viruses. They can be crystallized. Types of viruses. Children, viruses are divided into three categories. The first one, plant virus. Virus which affect the plant is called as plant virus. Example, tobacco mosaic virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, potato virus. The second one, animal virus. Virus which affect the animal or human being is called as animal virus. Example, adenovirus, retrovirus HIV, influenza virus, polio virus. And third one, bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is a kind of virus. It will lyse the bacterial cell. That means it will kill the bacterial cell. Clear children? The virus that infect the bacterial cell is called as bacteriophage. Example T4 bacteriophage. Next we are going to see about fungi. Fungi are microscopic or is a multicellular structure. They have no chlorophyll, so fungus can't able to produce their own food. Hence depend on living or dead host for their food. Fungi living on living host are called parasites. Fungi living on living host are called parasites. Fungi living on dead organic matter are called saprophytes. The body of the fungus is thallus. The body of the fungus is thallus. Single cell fungi. Example yeast. Yeast are spherical in shape. The width of the yeast is varies from 1 to 5 mu micron. The width of the yeast is vary from 1 to 5 mu micron. Flagella are absent in yeast, so the yeast are non-motile. In the case of multicellular form, the thallus is called mycelium. Clear children? The multicellular form of thallus is called as mycelium. Mycelium is a complex of several thin filaments. Each filament is called as hyphae. Each filament is called as hypha in singular form, hyphae in plural form. Then each hyphae is 5 to 10 mu micron width. They are tube-like structure is filled with protoplasm and cellular organelles. Cell wall is made up of cellulose or chitin. Fungus cell wall is made up of cellulose or chitin. Cytoplasm is contain small vacuoles filled with cell sap. Nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum all present in fungus. Food material is stored in the form of glycogen or oil globules. Fungus reproduce vegetatively, asexually and sexually. Vegetatively by binary fission, budding, fragmentation. Asexually by producing gonidia. Sexually by producing gametangium, male and female gametangium. Male gametangium is called as antheridium. Female gametangium is called as oogonium. Clear children? Children, the next we are going to see about prion. Prion, the term was coined by Stanley B. Prusiner. Stanley B. Prusiner in year 1982. Prions are viral particles which contain only protein. Children, prions are viral particles which contain only proteins. They do not contain nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. They are infectious. It will cause disease to the other organisms and smaller than the viruses. Prions are found in neuron or nerve cell. They are rod-shaped. Prion induce the changes in normal protein. This result in the degeneration of nervous tissue. The result is degeneration. That means it will lyse the nervous tissue. I hope you all understood today's topic, children. Thank you, children.